Hello YouTube, it's your boy. And I know I haven't been posting a whole lot of things lately, and that's because my focus has been on a different mistress. The fact is, this has been my home for the last year or so, and my wife have been traveling in this RV across the country, all across the continent, with our with our kitty cat. And as a result, I have started a new channel called BOOTENWAGEN, and it is a channel that focuses more on travel, adventure, RVing, off-roading, and what it's like to actually live in this thing, because I've always had this notion that I wanted to go RVing but never did because I didn't know enough and found the idea very intimidating. But now that I've done it for a year, I'm sharing everything I have learned. So, everything that you have come to expect from Bootstrappin', you will find in BOOTENWAGEN. We will have humor, we will have comedy, we will most certainly have gunga, and maybe even a bit of gunga-lunga. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, head on over. I'll leave a link in the description below. Check out the channel, and I am not ending this one. I will continue to post on Bootstrappin'. I still have content that I want to publish for it. I'll also be posting a lot of content on BOOTENWAGEN, and right now is an exciting time. I'm going to be posting a whole flurry of really fun to watch videos. So, I'll see you here. I hope to see you over there. And whatever you choose to do, thank you for watching. What yunga? Gagunga, zunga, bunga bunga.